I'm Nathara, and welcome to CrowSong Lodge. I've created these two meditations to be modular, meaning I've separated the process into two parts. Part 1 to be used at the beginning, and Part 2 to be used at the end. In between them, you can listen to or watch any other meditation journey, guidance, or exercise that you want to. Or perhaps you prefer to practice on your own. This gives you the ability to build a practice that fits your specific needs each day. In these videos, I use a process of somatic experiencing. Instead of just thinking about relaxing, we focus on the physical sensations of the body, the weight of gravity, the rhythm of the breath, and the release of tension in the muscles. We're working directly with your nervous system to create a safe container for your spirit. You'll notice that I use a specific rhythmic phrase throughout part 1. Inhale calm, soothing, relaxation, and exhale tension and worry. We use this ritual of repetition to build body memory. Over time, your mind and body begin to recognize these words as a shortcut to stillness and relaxation. The more you return to this specific rhythm, the faster your body remembers how to let go and feel cradled by the earth. To use this system, I recommend creating a playlist. Start with part 1. This settles your body and mind and prepares your awareness. Add your meditation or music. This can be a silent sit or one of the guided visualizations you find here or elsewhere. And then end with part 2. For me, this is an important step. It uses 3 breaths to help you comfortably rejoin the world and time, ensuring you feel integrated and awake. If I don't do this step, I feel very, very relaxed and a little groggy for the rest of the day. Thank you so much, and I hope you find them helpful.